everybody, this is Shraddha from eConstruct Design and Build Private Limited. In this video, I'm going to talk about employability assessment test that eConstruct is launching exclusively for civil and structural design engineering final year students. Or this can also be taken by those who are already passed out, who are freshers and actively looking for a job. Apart from that, if you're working professionals and looking forward to understand where you stand today in terms of your knowledge and skills, and if you would like to have a job change or would like to upgrade your career, then this employability test will definitely help you. So let's talk about what is employability assessment. Employability assessment is something in which eConstruct's technical team will evaluate your first impression in the interview in terms of soft skills and technical skills, both. So in terms of soft skills and hard skills, I mean the soft skills and your technical skills, both will be assessed in this. Have you ever wondered that the competition for getting a job starts in the inbox of the HR? And sometimes maybe we as a fresher, we don't use the right kind of keywords, right kind of words in our email, subject line or in our resume, CV and portfolio. And the way we approach for a job is not up to the mark, and maybe that is one of the reasons which leads to not getting the right kind of job interview calls. So this is the one aspect. The another aspect is we are going to thoroughly give you feedback about your CV, resume or portfolio. Apart from that, we will also be conducting few mock technical interview rounds and written tests in which you will come to know that what is your area of, what is your level of knowledge and skill for a particular job position in the civil industry. The mock interview and the objective type test will be conducted majorly for structural design engineering job positions, BIM modeling, BIM engineer job position or site engineer job position or project management job positions. So these are some of the job designations for which we are going to exclusively conduct your mock interviews and mock written test. After getting the exact score and after this assessment is over, you will receive a detailed feedback from our technical team that what is your first impression, what is your level of knowledge and skills and the experience, what kind of keywords you are using, what impression you are creating when you are applying for a particular kind of job. And this will definitely also help you in planning your journey ahead in the job market, because once this assessment report is in front of you, you will be able to understand yourself better, you will be able to understand your position in the job market, in the current job market very well. And once you understand that, it becomes very easy for you to plan your career. So eConstruct will also have a kind of one-to-one counseling session or a career counseling session after the employability assessment test. This overall exercise will also be something like a mentoring program for you, that somebody is going to coach you that how exactly you should plan your career, how you should measure that where you stand right now and where you want to reach, how will you reach. So you need a plan for it, you need a mentor, you need a coach, career coach. So this employability assessment would be that opportunity wherein our technical team and the industry experts are going to mentor you. So I hope most of you will make the most out of this opportunity. If you want to enroll for the employability assessment test and understand your employability score, then just fill the form given in the description box of this video. There are two links. One is for 100% online assessment and the second link is for offline assessment. So if you would like to meet us in the Bangalore office, then you can just fill the form which is given exclusively for offline employability assessment, and this employability assessment is available in online and offline both. The third option which is available to you is you can talk to your college placement officer, or if you are a placement officer watching this video, or if you are from the teaching line in any institute, any engineering institute, if you are a HOD, professor, faculty or a placement officer of a college, and if you would like to conduct a pool employability assessment, then you can approach us on the numbers given below, and there is a third link given for college registration. So if the placement officers or any college authority can register on that link, and we will come to your campus and conduct a pool employability assessment test for all your students, right from your final years to even pass out students can be invited to the program, or you can even pool multiple colleges and we can have a mass employability assessment program in your campus. So these are the options available to you as an individual or as an academic personnel. So I hope you will make the most out of this opportunity. So don't wait further. If you're just wondering that why you're not getting the right kind of job opportunity, why you're not getting the right kind of calls for interview, or what exactly is wrong in the whole process, then this employability assessment is a great opportunity or perfect opportunity for you to understand the whole process in detail. So I hope to see you in the employability assessment soon. So I wish and pray that you make a successful career in the civil industry, and I hope you all will make the most out of this opportunity launched by Econstruct.